Today we're gonna really fast clean data set. First of all, we're gonna change the size of the cells so everything gonna be visible. After we're gonna change the format of the cells. And after this, we're gonna replace Amazon and Walmart to Amazon and Walmart. We're just gonna have to find all of them that are write really bad and just replace them. And we just did it with the Walmart. Now we're gonna replace the Amazon. And we're gonna look for the duplicates in our data sets. And it's gonna be all for today. Thank you.